Meaning of decal.
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 Decal. A decal is a decorative or informative design that is usually made of paper or plastic and can be transferred to another surface. Decals are often used on vehicles, windows, walls, and other surfaces to display logos, slogans, or other information. Applying a decal involves removing the backing paper, placing the adhesive side down on the desired surface, and then rubbing or smoothing it down to remove any bubbles or wrinkles. The result is a durable and long-lasting design that adds a personalized touch to the surface it's applied to.